New Machine Gun Kelly album just dropped. It's called Tickets to My Downfall. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Forget Me Too. So as always, if this video helps you, please do the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So for this song, we're going to tune all of the strings down a half step. And we're also going to be in drop D, which means that we're going to tune the low E string down a whole step. So all of the strings will sound like this. So the first part I want to show you is the riff during the intro. So for this, you're going to bar the G and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B string, and you're going to strum this once, and then you're going to lift your pinky finger and strum it again, like this. Then you're going to do that again. Then you're going to place your pinky finger back on the 5th fret of the B string, and you're going to slide up to the 7th fret of the B string. Then back to our bar. Next, you're going to bar the D and G string on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and you're going to strum this once, then lift your ring finger and strum it again like this. Then you're going to do it again. Then you're going to place your ring finger back on the 4th fret of the G string, and you're going to slide up to the 6th fret of the G string. Then back to the bar. Then you're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string and your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and you're going to strum this once. You're going to lift your pinky finger and strum it again. Then you're going to do that again. Then you're going to place your pinky finger back on the 4th fret of the G string and slide up to the 6th fret. Then back to the 4th fret of the D string with your ring finger, and 2nd fret of the G string with your pointer finger. Then you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string, and you're going to strum this twice, and then you're going to place your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and strum it again. Then you're going to lift your ring finger and strum it 2 more times. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the verse. The verse is basically the same as the intro, just uses a different strumming pattern at the end. It sounds like this. Now the riff during the pre-chorus. So for this, we're going to start on an open D string, then 7th fret D string, 5th fret B string, 7th fret D string, 5th fret B string, 7th fret B string, 6th fret G string. Then we do that whole thing again. Then open A string, 7th fret A string, 4th fret G string, 7th fret A string, 4th fret G string, 6th fret G string, 7th fret D string. Then you do that whole thing again. Then you're going to bar the low E, A, and D strings on the 4th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and you're going to pick the low E string, A string, D string, low E string, D string. Then you're going to place your pinky on the 7th fret of the D string and pluck it again. A string. Then you do that whole thing again. Then you're going to bar the low E, A, and D strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to strum it. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus, which is also the outro. So for this, we're going to start on a D major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 7th fret. Next is a power chord. So since we're in drop D, you're just going to bar the low E, A, and D strings on the 7th fret with your pointer finger. Next is a G power chord. So you're just going to take the A power chord and move it down to the 4th fret. And then we're going to go to an E major chord. So you're just going to take the D major chord and move it up 2 frets. So we're going to do that 3 times, and then on the 4th time, we're going to go to the D major, and then we're going to go to an E minor chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Forget Me Too. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.